Good morning from my bike and me. I'm at the HCAF this morning in Oxfordshire with my son, my son-in-law and my grandson. We've just had a spot of breakfast and we're just about to take a ride home. I thought I'd take you guys along with me so you can see the lovely countryside, and while we're at it I thought we'd discuss some of the mods that I've done on my sport glide over the course of the last year since I've had the bike. This is my son-in-law in front on his Ducati Scrambler with my young grandson on the back. There's a video on all of these mods on my channel, so if any of these are of interest to you, just check the channel out and you will find a video on each one. I hope you guys like the makeup of this video. I originally was going to do just a video just on the mods, but then it was a beautiful sunny morning and I thought I'd video the ride from the HCAF, and I thought rather than do two videos I'll make it a little bit different to what some people do and combine them. I hope it works for you. So I thought the first mod we would look at this morning is the security siren that I fitted from Harley Davidson. And that's the effect of the siren. I can't show you the siren because obviously it's within the bike, but that's the effect of it, that's the sound. That's my son in front on his brand new Fat Bob. He picked that up a week ago. Let's move on now to the Harley Davidson Moustache engine guard. With a Harley Davidson engine guard, I mean it's a practical piece of kit, but I like the look of it as well. And with most of the, in fact all of the extras that I put on the bike, I went with black instead of chrome. Let's move on now to two mods that are guarding my oil radiator, my Fender Extender and my actual radiator guard itself. With the Fender Extender, there it is there. That's been on there for a couple of months now and no problems at all. With the extra glue than that I put on there, I've had no issues with that at all. Hasn't come loose as a lot of people said it would, and for £22 I think that was a really good mod. The other modification I did to protect the oil radiator was the grill protector and air scoop, and I really like that. It's from Motea and I really think not only is it practical, but I really like the look it gives, and it's one of the few on the market that actually fits okay with the engine guard. Some of them you can't put a cover on with the engine guard in place. So yeah, really pleased with that one. Next on the list will be my 4-inch pullback risers. So 4-inch pullback risers definitely made the riding experience more comfortable, just brings it back a little bit more to me, and yeah, really like them. Good investment. The next mod is a really small one, but one that I really think improves the look of the bike. Next modification, very simple, was the coil cover. I have no idea, well yeah I do, I was going to say I have no idea why Harley Davidson don't fit them as standard, but of course it's part of the Harley tax in it. And it definitely looks better than the naked coil, if you like, that's in matte black. Yeah, really like that. Not cheap, but nothing is on this bike, is it? The next two mods are hand grips and control levers. Airflow hand grips, really like them. That's they feel good, look good, a little bit of gloss between the rubber padding. Yeah, really like them. Edge cut control levers, again I've got these from Harley Davidson, exactly the same as the Airflow hand grips. Just a cosmetic thing, but I really like them, works for me. Karaoke mini floorboards. Mini floorboards by Karaoke. Really like these, very comfortable and very adjustable. So if you look under here, you've got 3 fixing points, so you can slide the floorboard either further forwards or backwards, and in here when you bolt it on, there's a knurled part there, so you can have them at whatever angle you want. So you can have them forward, backwards, tip up, tip down, flat, any way you like. Very adjustable and really comfortable. Really pleased with them. Gear change peg and linkage. So airflow shifter peg, again it's just a cosmetic thing that I prefer instead of the stock shifter peg, and when I did that I put on the edge cut billet shifter lever as well. And then I also changed the this lever from chrome to black, and the linkage from chrome to black as well. So I did all of this 1, 2, 3, 4 mods. Obviously it makes sense to do them all at the same time. The next and most comfortable mod. The next mod is my Saddleman Explorer seat. I was told by a number of people that it takes about 500 miles to sort of wear in before it's comfortable. Well, I can tell you, for me, that was comfortable from day one. I've done probably 2,500 miles on that seat, and it is just one of the best things I've ever done. And I, again in the video when I swapped it over, I said that the stock seat was quite comfortable, but I slid on it. This has just got so much support. It really is. It's really a pleasure. I've just come back from a bit of a road trip, and it was just so comfortable. I love it. It's really, it looks good and it feels good. Well worth the money. My pannier guards are next. So road styler, pannier guards. Practical, they look good, I really like them. Gives you that little bit of feeling of security, because the last thing you want to do is scratch or damage your panniers. What I would say is if you're in a habit of taking your panniers off and riding without them, then personally I don't like the look of the guards without the panniers. But with the panniers on, spot on. The next mod is my sissy bar and luggage rack. Sissy bar, luggage rack. Some people, this is a quick release one, but I keep it on all the time because I like the look of it. Very practical, and I don't normally take passengers, but I just like the look of it. But it is very practical. Just been away on a camping trip, and that was worth its weight in gold. You've got a little just pull this and the other side, just pull that and it just lifts up and takes off. Very quick and easy. Again, another mod that's covered in my videos on the channel. I think one of my favourite mods was the Pro Beam indicator stroke daylight running lights. The Pro Beam indicators and running lights are obviously LEDs. They come on with the ignition and then they go off as you indicate. I really like them, gives you an extra bit of visibility. May be a controversial one. Flush fuel caps. Flush fuel caps. I think the pair of them was about £110. This is the second bike I've had with them on, that I put on. I put them on my Sportster as well. It's not something I would do again. They are just stuck on, they haven't caused me any grief. I have heard of people having a little bit of trouble getting it off when they refuel. Certainly not been the case for me, but it's £100 I could have saved. I like the look of them originally, but I think if I buy another bike, I won't bother putting those on again. The last two mods I'll do together is my R&S Big Sucker air filter and my Cobra 909 slip-on. R&S Big Sucker air filter. Again, I didn't have a stage 1, I just wanted the air filter because it looked good and I love it. I love the look of it. It's awesome. Really do like the look of that. Cobra 909 slip-on. I had the slip-on and the R&S air filter installed by the dealership before I picked the bike up because I wanted them tuned together. I love them both. I think really nice combo. And that brings our ride this morning to an end. I hope the brief view that you've seen of the Berkshire and the Oxfordshire countryside has been pleasant. It's been a great ride, a bit cool, but it's been a great ride in the sunshine, most of the time following my son on his Fat Bob. I hope the video has been of use to you with all the different mods that I've done on the bike. When I bought the bike just on a year ago, I said in a video as I brought it home that I wouldn't do many mods on it. Well, that's the problem with the Harley, isn't it? There's so many mods out there to make the bike your own. So I hope it's been of use to you, I hope it's been enjoyable to you, and until next time, ride safe. Bye bye.